First reading, Isaiah chapter 4 verse 2-6. That day, Yahweh's seedling will turn to beauty and glory, what the earth brings forth will turn to the pride and ornament of Israel's survivors. Those who are left in Zion and remain in Jerusalem will be called holy, all those in Jerusalem noted down to live. When the Lord has washed away the filth of Zion's daughters, and with the wind of judgment and the wind of burning cleansed Jerusalem of the blood shed in her, Yahweh will create, over every house on Mount Zion, and over those who assemble there, a cloud by day, and by night smoke, with the brightness of a flaring fire. For over all will be the glory as canopy, and tent to give shade by day from the heat, refuge and shelter from the storm and the rain. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 122 verse 1-2, 3-4, 4-5, 6-7, 8-9. Song of Ascents of David. I rejoiced that they said to me, "Let us go to the house of Yahweh." At last our feet are standing at your gates, Jerusalem, Jerusalem, built as a city, in one united whole. There the tribes go up, the tribes of Yahweh, a sign for Israel to give thanks to the name of Yahweh. For there are set the thrones of judgment, the thrones of the house of David. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem, prosperity for your homes, peace within your walls, prosperity in your palaces. For love of my brothers and my friends I will say, peace upon you. For love of the house of Yahweh our God I will pray for your well-being. Gospel, Matthew chapter 8 verse 5-11. When he went into Capernaum, a centurion came up and pleaded with him. "Sir," he said, "my servant is lying at home paralyzed and in great pain." Jesus said to him, "I will come myself and cure him." The centurion replied, "Sir, I am not worthy to have you under my roof. Just give the word and my servant will be cured. For I am under authority myself and have soldiers under me. And I say to one man, 'Go,' and he goes, to another, 'Come here,' and he comes, to my servant, 'Do this,' and he does it." When Jesus heard this he was astonished and said to those following him, "In truth I tell you, in no one in Israel have I found faith as great as this. And I tell you that many will come from east and west, and sit down with Abraham and Isaac and Jacob at the feast in the kingdom of heaven."